The BMW Group's mission with its new high-performance test vehicle, the BMW Vision Driving Experience, is to showcase driving pleasure to its physical limits. This Vision vehicle is not intended for series production, but instead serves as a rolling test platform for the drivetrain and driving dynamics management technology that BMW calls Heart of Joy, and that has been developed specifically for the Neue Klasse, the new generation of BMW vehicles. The prototype vehicle put the Heart of Joy's capabilities to the ultimate endurance test at the BMW Performance Driving Center in Spartanburg, USA. And as part of a preview presentation, the company provided exclusive insights into the development program for the electric driving experience at the Neue Klasse. Every fully electric Neue Klasse model will benefit from the Heart of Joy. The first longer Neue Klasse electric model will enter series production at Plant Debrecen in Hungary later this year. The new Heart of Joy adds a fourth dimension to the existing trio of Neue Klasse features: electric, digital, circular, namely BMW's hallmark sheer driving pleasure. The Heart of Joy enables us to take driving pleasure not just to the next level, but even beyond, says Frank Weber, member of the board of management of BMW AG and responsible for development. We are also further increasing efficiency and thus increasing range, because in the future the driver will be braking almost exclusively using energy recuperation. This is efficient dynamics squared. The Heart of Joy control unit for the drivetrain, brakes, charging, recuperation and steering subfunctions processes information 10 times faster than previous systems. Working together with the BMW Dynamic Performance Control software, the Heart of Joy calculates all driving dynamics functions with an entirely new level of speed and precision. The software was developed entirely in-house based on the experience accumulated by BMW engineers in the field of driving dynamics over more than a century. The Vision vehicle produces a torque of 18,000 Nm, 13,269 lb-ft. The logic behind this is that if the control system can cope with such a power burst, it will also be able to easily meet the demands of everyday driving. Energy recovery during braking, also known as recuperation, enables the drivetrain and braking functions of electric vehicles to form a symbiosis. In the innovative electronic architecture of the Neue Klasse, the Heart of Joy is one of 4 central control units and combines the drivetrain and driving dynamics functions for the first time. These innovative control functions are protected by various patent applications. The high-performance unit controls acceleration and braking, vehicle stabilization, dynamic steering functions and charge management. The central processing unit and the perfectly coordinated BMW Dynamic Performance Control software developed in-house ensure that all connected actuators respond directly and with minimal delay. Delays are in the millisecond range. In contrast, conventional systems have separate control algorithms for the drivetrain and brakes. This means that the full road-holding potential of vehicles with powerful electric drive systems cannot be fully exploited. Drivers and passengers experience a harmonious and quiet driving experience here, regardless of the situation and speed at which they are traveling. In dynamic driving scenarios, the new Heart of Joy / BMW Dynamic Performance Control combination offers unparalleled cornering stability and assurance. The car generates impressive traction and can negotiate bends with exceptional precision. Fewer control inputs are required and the car's line can be maintained with greater precision and stability. This helps the car develop consistent, repeatable cornering behavior and enables it to steer more intuitively and smoothly. In addition, the integrated drivetrain, braking and recuperation control ensure more sustainable use of energy. 98% of drivers do not need any input using conventional brakes. The braking power generated using recuperation is sufficient for normal, everyday driving. The BMW Vision Driving Experience test vehicle demonstrates how Heart of Joy works using illuminated color codes on the rims. Acceleration is shown in green, recuperation in blue and braking using friction brakes in orange. The BMW Vision Driving Experience will celebrate its official world premiere at the Shanghai Motor Show in 2025.